Hi, if your Twitter direct messaging is not working, here is what you can do. First, make sure that the Twitter server has no issue. You can do this by going to any browser, type Twitter server issues, and then click Twitter status, the second result. Now, if you see all systems operational, this means there is no error on the server. We could now proceed to basic troubleshooting. Let's go to the Twitter app, click Profile, go to Settings and Support, then Settings and Privacy, then Privacy and Safety. Click Direct Messages, enable all the options. Now check if the issue is resolved. If it still does not work, you could go to your phone settings, scroll down and look for apps, and then App Management, look for Twitter, or you could search it here, click Permissions, and then enable all permissions here. Once done, go to Battery Usage, and enable all option here as well. Allow background activity. Once done, open Play Store, look for Twitter, and make sure your application is updated. And that's it. That should fix your problem. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.